Hey y'all, today we're in Discord and we're taking a look at how to use dark mode. Let's get into it. So to start off, usually dark mode is something you use to make your Discord less strenuous on your eyes, or even if you're just using this in a second monitor, you don't want it lighting up the whole room at night, whatever it may be, there are different themes to help with this. So if you go down to user settings in the bottom left, and then we come down to app settings and appearance, you can see that we have themes. So the default theme is this light theme. I think this is absolutely horrendous and very bright. And then we also have ash, which is a lighter tone, dark, which is the one I prefer, and then there is onyx, which is black. So personally, I use dark theme, dark. There are also other themes if you are a Nitro user that you can use. That's totally up to you. But let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.